377 LXF, triple 400 V10s. Got opposing seating on the 377. Do you have a side door that opens there? Nice charging here. And you've got a live well that you can see through. Moving forward, midship on the port side. Take a look at the guest accommodations. Do you have hull side windows? You have a electric flush toilet, shower fixture at the top, microwave there, and storage, fusion stereo. Says the high-low table there. There's a cushion there, so that could be made into a daybed area. Got forward-facing seating. The table up-down switches there. Up-down for the anchor is underneath that hatch. We've got flush cleats. Storage on the port and starboard. Says LED light bar. The helm, you've got triple Garmins. Nice displays up top. You've got the Skyhook, so you can park the boat, or you can drive it sideways with a Mercury joystick control. Triple bolstered seats, and a nice opening hatch up top.